Hello everybody, my name is Aki. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys how to get awesome travel shots with the Insta360 X4. Today I have 3 shooting techniques to share, and we're gonna be using a 3-meter extended selfie stick for all the shots. The basic camera setting is 8K 30 frames per second, ISO 100, white balance 50-500, and shutter speed depends on the lighting condition. First one is vertical rise. All you have to do is gradually raise the selfie stick from the ground to the sky. This camera movement resembles the way drones slowly taking off to the sky, and it works the best when you have a subject on the ground as a center point. If you reframe the footage to the opposite direction, you can get a rising effect like this. Choose a narrow space that's surrounded by things like buildings or trees as a shooting location, and add a slight rotation in the post-production so that the footage will look even more dynamic. Second one is selfie shot. Stick out the camera from the moving vehicle and hold the selfie stick as steady as possible. Thanks to the AI stitching that can remove a selfie stick from the footage, you can capture videos that look as if they were shot by a third party. By shifting the angle of the camera, you can get whole different perspectives such as bird's eye, parallel, and following shot. Make sure to extend the selfie stick as far as possible in order to avoid the risk of getting a distorted image. Third one is hyperlapse. Hold up the selfie stick and walk down the street for a minute or two. Import the footage into Insta360 Studio, speed up the footage and add about 360 to 480 degree roll keyframes. By clicking the human icon and tweaking the parameters right here, you can adjust the range and amount of motion blur to your liking. As an extension, if you want to get a footage that resembles a FPV drone like this, add about 45 to 60 degrees rotation at every corner of the path, and adjust pan keyframes in a way that the camera always faces the direction of travel. This way you can fake a dynamic FPV drone-like footage anytime, anywhere. That's all for today's tutorial, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.